Hello my dear friends, it's Oksana. Welcome to my vintage kitchen. Happy New Year. I am doing an unusual video for my channel today. I'm doing unpacking. I feel like a movie star, like a famous blogger today because I got a present from my subscriber and friend Yana from Nuremberg. Her channel is How to Bake. But let's see what I got. I'm really in shock because I didn't expect to receive that much stuff, and I hope Yana didn't spend too much money on shipping, because shipping to Canada is a lot. First of all, it's all my favorite things. Yes, I picked before, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And first of all, I got this beautiful card with a Merry Christmas, our Orthodox Christmas wishes, happy wishes. It's very nice. I'm gonna keep it forever. I'm gonna show it to my grandkids. And I got so many goodies here, guys. I believe this is a tea. I got chocolate. I got marzipan, which I really love, marzipan candies, guys. I got Stollen, or Stollen like we say. This is store made, I believe. I got cookies. I got more marzipan candies. This one. Very good. Thank you, Yana. There's cookies again in a beautiful jar. Look at this. I love those. I really love those. They're amazing. And I got another Stollen. It smells amazing. Stollen or Stollen. You tell me what's the right way to pronounce it. It smells amazing, and I really believe Yana baked it herself because it's not store-bought. I will try it right now, guys. So that's my story for today. All these beautiful presents from the person who doesn't even know me in person. And I'm really thankful to you, Yana. It's really pleasant surprise. The best experience of YouTube, guys, is not to make money. It's to make friends, it's to see different experiences, to see different countries, to see what people cook in different countries, what people do in different countries, how people live in different countries. And the best part of all this is to make friends. So let's try this one. Yeah, I think it's homemade. I'm gonna show you closer now. Very good. This is amazing present. Yana, thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all guys make a good friends, make a good relationship, even if it's over the seas, over the internet, and we use the YouTube for friendship, for peace, and for the good vibes. And I see you next time.